Eureka. I don't know what that means, but hey, it's just a thing that I learned. And whatever. And yeah, that was a stupid question I've ever asked. Ooh, somebody screaming. What the hell, boy? Who actually out this? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I literally had enough about waking up like this early at. Well, I mean, it's already daytime, but what the hell was this scream? Oh my god, please don't tell me it's just DarkWatcher's annoying father. I mean, he hasn't been screaming all night, so what the hell? Wherever the hell that scream was. Wait a minute, it sounds like an extinct species. Okay, no, I'm hearing things, aren't I?
Catch a heffalump, sit with me on a muddy clump. We'll sing a song of days gone by. Run along now, don't be glum. Get you gone now, have some fun. Don't be long for the end is nigh. Don't let moments pass along and waste before your eyes. March with me in the borough groves. Come with me in the slidey toes. And never ask us why. Come along now. Run away from the humdrum. We'll go to a place that is safe from greed, anger and boredom. We'll dance and sing till sundown and feast with abandon. We'll sleep when the morning comes and we'll rise by the sound of the bird song. Slows down and the sunbeams fade away, keeping time by a pendulum as the fabric starts to fray. There's no such thing as time to kill nor time to throw away. So once for the bright sky, twice for the pigsty, thrice for another day. Come along now, run away from the humdrum. We'll go to a place that is safe from greed, anger and boredom. We'll dance and sing till sundown and feast with abandon. We'll sleep when the morning comes and we'll rise by the sound of the bird song.
So, Predator, you have captured some birds? Oh, yes. I have captured some birds. Very good. We'll see how they burn in the flames. Can I eat something before after the song? What song? Yeah, you know.
Come with me, catch a rare type specimen. Cuddle up with a hesitant skeleton. We'll break our fast with friends. Once we're fed, we shall disappear rapidly. Many moons to the west of here and happily. Our journey never ends. Shout your ears when sirens sing. Tie armbands to your feet. Listen up and you won't go wrong again. Float along on the verseless song and then get to where the two ends meet. Come along now. Run away from the humdrum. We'll go to a place that is safe from
Okay. Well, hello, Light. Haven't seen you in a little while. Yeah, hi, Your Majesty. So, I just found out some birds in the morning, like at sunrise, kind of like, well, I heard like it very early at 6 a.m. and they said that some of their family members have been kidnapped and some of their friends. Strange. Also, they've been crazy. Some of the kids have been going crazy about hearing this weird scream at night. A scream. It can't be DarkWatcher's dead father, is it? I don't think so. It sounded like something else. They said it sounded like this. I don't know how to say it because I'm not good at high-pitched noises. Interesting. You know what? Ask your fellow extinct birds. Maybe they might help. I will, Your Majesty. Oh, also, Light, did you even see that Sunshine has escaped? What? Well, how did she? I don't know. Looks like one of DarkWatcher's extinct bird army has let her out. Of course. Well, I'm gonna go see those guys. I'm gonna go see Red. If he stays safe, I hope he doesn't get hypnotized by some kind of random call the kids keep on talking about. Or maybe I can pay him a visit. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, paying him a visit should maybe I can invite him to come over. I mean he's been through this before. So yeah, maybe getting Red might help.